Hi, a very good morning, children. Happy Saturday. Today, what is the special day? Today, Gandhi Jayanti, right? Yes. Today is the birthday of Gandhi ji. Gandhi ji is our father of nation. Yes or no, children? Yes. Happy Jayanti to all my dear kids. Okay. Fine. What is the date today? October 2nd, and the day is Saturday. Date 2nd October. October means 10, 2021, and the day is Saturday. Saturday, which subject you have, children? Saturday means you have EVS. Subject EVS. Topic. About which topic we have discussed in the previous class? In the last class in EVS subject, about which topic we have started, children? About the topic my house. About the topic my house. Class first standard. Class first standard. Yes, my house. The topic we have started in the previous class, that is my house. How much house is important for all children? Where do we all staying? We all staying with our family members in our house. Yes or no, children? Yes. Our house gives us protection. We feel very comfortable and safe in our house. Yes or no, children? Yes. Our house provides us shelter. Shelter is also one of the basic necessity, one of the basic requirement to our life. Our house, our home. Our house is our home. Our house gives us, protect us from cold, dust, rain, then thieves, from grazing animals. So finally, our house protect us from cold rain. It seems we can understand in the previous classes. So no, children? Yes. Then in an earlier time, when there were no house, they used to stay in a caves, protect themselves from the grazing animals and thieves. Okay. Later on, they started to build a different types of houses by using dry sticks, leaves, bamboo sticks, sand. Okay. Later on they started to build a house like kacha houses and pakka houses. The kacha houses is nothing but temporary houses. It may last for a short time. Kacha houses is nothing but huts. Kacha house is nothing but huts. These type of houses made up of dry grass, leaves, then mud, sticks. Okay, so sometimes they may last because of heavy rainfall. Okay, storm, they may fall down. Now, so these type of houses are called temporary houses. Next, pakka houses is nothing but villas, bungalows, apartment, flats, roof houses. These houses are called pakka houses. Pakka houses is also called as permanent houses. Why? Because these type of houses are made up of steel, iron, then bricks, cement. These kinds of these houses are made up of these kinds of materials. So it is these houses for long time. It will not destroy children. Until we are going to demolish, these houses cannot be destroyed. So these houses are called permanent houses. Till here we have studied in a previous class. Yes or no, children? Do you have remember these information I have given in the previous class? Okay, fine. Then in this class we are going to learn about roof. Roof in Kannada we can say chavdi. Okay. Chavdi, male chavdi. Okay, roof. Roofs can be divided into two types. One is flat roof, another one is flat roof, and another one is sloping roof. Sloping means this kind. It will be like this. Okay. This is called flat roof, and another one is, this is called flat roof. Roofs can be divided into two types. One is sloping roof. Sloping roof, and another one is flat roof. Okay. Okay. Sloping means sliding roof, and another one is flat. Flat. Okay. Where there is heavy rainfall, there we can be seen sloping roof. Where there is heavy rainfall, there we can be seen sloping roof. And in a hot places, houses in hot places have flat roof. Okay, this is the information about roof. Roofs can be divided into two types, sloping roof and flat roofs. Where there is heavy rainfall, there we can be seen sloping roof, and where there is the houses in hot places have flat roof. Okay, clear? Then some people have no stability in their life. They keep moving from one place to another place for some reasons. Okay, they live in temporary houses. Till here what we have studied, pakka houses and kacha houses. Kacha houses is a temporary house, pakka houses is a permanent house. It for a long time, kacha houses for a may short last for a short time, it seems we have learned. Next, different kinds of houses are there. Okay, different kinds of houses are there. Now we are going to study about different kinds of houses. Okay, some people have no stability in their life. They just keep on moving from one place to another place to survive. Okay, they live in temporary houses. Temporary houses are caravan house, tent house, stilt house, igloos, these kinds of houses. Temporary houses. Okay, temporary houses. Why? They don't have stability to stay in one place. They just keep on moving from one place to another place to survive. Okay, so they live in a temporary houses. They live in a temporary houses. The temporary houses are caravan, tents, stilt, houseboat. Then the last one is igloos. Clear, children? Okay, fine. The first one, caravan. The first one is caravan. Caravan. Did you heard this word? Caravan, children? A caravan is a temporary house which moves on wheel. A caravan is a temporary house which moves on wheel. It can be parked anywhere. Mainly, gypsies move from one place to another place. Some people, they don't have stability to stay in one place. They just keep on moving they just migrate from one place to another place to survive. Okay, those people use these kinds of houses, caravan houses. Okay, this caravan houses is connected to one animal. Okay, the one animal like horse or camel going to pull this type of houses. It can be parked anywhere. It can be parked anywhere. Clear, children? Okay, mainly gypsies move from one place to. Who will use this type of caravan houses? Mainly gypsies. Clear? Next, the second one is tents. Tent is made of canvas. From the canvas cloth, tent is made of, children. Okay. A tent is also a temporary house which is mostly used by soldiers. This type of tents which is mostly used by soldiers, and those who people go for a trip, right, trekking, those people also use this tents, because to anywhere they can build a tent. They can build a tent and easily they can fold it and easily they can carry it anywhere. Okay, so usually most of the people, soldier people and trekking, those who going for a trip, right, like trekking, those kind of people use this tents. It is made up of canvas. These kinds of tents are made up of canvas. This is also a temporary house. This is also a temporary house. The next one is special types of houses. Special types of houses. Igloos, stilt house, houseboats. These kinds of houses are called special types of houses. Igloos. In the last class, I told about igloos. Igloos is made up of that igloo, like a cave, is made. It's just covered by snow. It's just covered by snow. The people who lives in igloos are called Eskimos. The people who live in igloos are called Eskimos. Understand? The people who live in igloos are called Eskimos. Igloos means the cave is covered by ice, snow, ice. Okay, Manjugadde. It is just look like a dome-shaped structure. How it will be looks, children? It just looks like a dome-shaped structure, right? Dome-shaped structure. Okay, the snow house built out of snow. The igloo is covered by snow. The snow house is built out of snow. Okay, the next one, some people live in houseboat. The houseboat floats on the river. The houseboat float on the river. Usually in Kerala, if you visit Kerala, there you can see houseboat, children. In a backwater, there you can see houseboat just floating on the water. All the facilities will be there. Okay, just like a home. It is a famous attraction in Kerala, children. One of the famous attraction. Houseboat is one of the famous attraction in Kerala. Okay. In one more place in our India, Dal Lake at Srinagar in Kashmir also, we can see this houseboat. The last one, stilt house. The last one, stilt house. Stilt house. The people living in areas with heavy rainfall. The people will stay in heavy rainfall, built stilt house, because the house is built to protect against from the flood. Nere. Okay. The people are built this type of houses, stilt house, to protect against from the flooding. This stilt house stand on the bamboo pillars. I'll show children how it will be built. It seems stilt house. Stilt house. Just assume this is a bamboo stick. Okay. On the bamboo stick, the house is going to build. On the bamboo stick, the house is going to build. Because where there is a heavy rainfall, the people used to build the house like stilt house. Because to protect against from the flooding. Nere. Clear? Okay. Where there is a heavy rainfall, to protect against from the flooding, the people used to build these kinds of houses, stilt house. Usually they build a house on the bamboo sticks. Okay, this is the special types of houses, stilt house, houseboat and igloos. Okay, caravan, tent is also a temporary houses. The people who migrate from one place to another place to survive, those people use tent and caravan houses. Clear? It can be parked anywhere. Tents made up of canvas, easily it can be folded and easily we can carry it anywhere. Clear, children? And about roofs also we have studied in this session. Roofs are mainly divided into two types, flat roof and another one is sloping roofs. Where there is a heavy rainfall, there we can see sloping roof. Where there is hot places, the houses where there is a hot places have flat roof. Okay, this is the information about flat roof and sloping roof and temporary houses, different types of temporary houses. Yes, okay. Next, if you want to build a house means, for all support we need, children. Can we build a house alone? No, we need a support of engineer, electrician, plumber, then carpenter, architect, painter. With all these people support, then only we can build a beautiful house. Yes or no? Yes. Electrician, what he will do? He will do the electrical work. Carpenter, he will do a wooden work. Then painter, he'll do a painting work. Then plumber, he'll fix the taps. Then engineer and architect build a new house and he will be give us a blueprint of house. How the house will be like this, it seems. He is going to give a blueprint of the house. Okay. So with all the support, we can build a new house. Clear, children? Okay. A house must have sufficient sunlight and it should be airy. The house should be very clean and neat. We should always wipe the floor. Okay, we should we should dust our rooms neatly. Dusting our room neatly means we should keep clean. Okay, and after playing, you should keep back your playing things in a proper place. Then we should not supposed to throw any garbage items like dust item in a corner of the room. We should always throw garbage in a dustbin. Okay, so to stay healthy and fit, we should maintain a neat house. We should keep our house clean and neat. Okay, this is the information about the topic my house. In the next session, I am going to give you keywords regarding the topic my house. Until that, keep recalling about the lesson my house. Thank you, children. Bye bye.